He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare combination of artistic sensitivity, magnetic stage presence, and remarkable determination, Hyunjin didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity entirely his own, transforming natural talent and relentless dedication into one of the most recognizable personas in modern entertainment. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on March 20th, 2000, in Seoul, South Korea, Hyunjin's journey began far from the massive concert venues and fashion capitals he would later dominate. Growing up, he displayed a strong interest in creativity, performance, and self-expression. His life took an unexpected turn when he was scouted by JYP Entertainment while still a student. What seemed like a chance encounter soon became the starting point of a life-changing opportunity. Years of disciplined training followed. Under JYP Entertainment, Hyunjin refined his dance technique, rap delivery, stage presence, and overall performance skills while adapting to the demanding standards of the K-pop industry. The trainee period was physically and mentally challenging, but it helped shape the artist audiences know today. In 2018, he officially debuted as a member of Stray Kids. The group's powerful debut and self-produced musical identity quickly attracted international attention. Among the members, Hyunjin stood out for his striking visuals, expressive performances, and exceptional ability to captivate audiences on stage. His presence became one of the defining elements of Stray Kids' global appeal. His performance style combines technical precision with emotional storytelling. Whether executing complex choreography or delivering intense stage concepts, Hyunjin consistently demonstrates a unique ability to connect movement with feeling. As Stray Kids expanded into international markets, breaking records and selling out major venues worldwide, he emerged as one of the most recognizable faces of the fourth generation of K-pop. Beyond performance, his artistic journey evolved in unexpected ways. Hyunjin developed a passion for painting and visual arts, frequently sharing his artwork with fans. These creative pursuits revealed a more introspective side of his personality and highlighted his desire to express himself beyond music and dance. His artistic interests have become an important part of his public identity. By 2026, Hyunjin is regarded as a versatile global entertainer. Industry professionals recognize his stage charisma, fashion influence, and artistic growth, while audiences admire his authenticity and commitment to self-improvement. His career reflects consistent evolution rather than simple popularity. Off-stage, his lifestyle balances creativity with discipline. He dedicates significant time to rehearsals, fitness, artistic projects, and personal development. Despite a demanding schedule, he continues to prioritize growth as both a performer and an individual. Those close to him often describe him as thoughtful, hardworking, and deeply passionate about his craft. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic personality. Known for elegant silhouettes, luxury styling, and bold visual expression, Hyunjin has become a frequent presence at international fashion events. His ability to blend sophistication with individuality has attracted the attention of major luxury brands and established him as a global style icon. While public curiosity often focuses on his personal life, Hyunjin remains relatively private regarding relationships and personal matters. Instead, he consistently directs attention toward artistic development, performance quality, and meaningful engagement with fans. This approach has strengthened his reputation as a dedicated professional. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from album sales, world tours, endorsements, fashion partnerships, merchandise, and digital content. Beyond financial success, he has secured lasting influence across music, fashion, and popular culture, making him one of the most impactful entertainers of his generation. What many find compelling is his willingness to embrace vulnerability. Through art, music, and personal reflections, Hyunjin openly explores themes of growth, identity, and self-discovery. This emotional sincerity adds depth to his public image and strengthens his connection with audiences around the world. Hyunjin's journey is marked by transformation rather than comfort. From a student in Seoul to a globally recognized performer, artist, and fashion figure, his rise reflects perseverance, creativity, and unwavering dedication. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern international stardom, artistic, ambitious, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a striking blend of precision, confidence, and explosive stage energy, Lisa didn't simply enter the competitive world of K-pop. She engineered a presence so powerful that it redefined what a main dancer and global idol could represent. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born as Lalisa Manobal on March 27, 1997, in Buram, Thailand, her journey began far from Seoul's polished entertainment industry. From an early age, she gravitated toward rhythm and movement, joining dance crews and immersing herself in hip-hop culture. Dance was not a side interest. It was her identity. She trained rigorously in Thailand, building sharp technique and stage confidence long before the global spotlight found her. At 14, she auditioned for YG Entertainment in Bangkok, becoming the only participant selected that year. Soon after, she relocated to South Korea, stepping into a new language, unfamiliar culture, and one of the most demanding trainee systems in the industry. The years that followed were defined by discipline. She refined her rap delivery, strengthened her vocals, mastered complex choreography, and developed multilingual fluency that would later support her international reach. In 2016, she officially debuted as the main dancer and lead rapper of BLACKPINK. The group's debut ignited immediate global interest, and Lisa's razor-sharp movements quickly became a signature element of their performances. Her dance breaks generated viral attention, and her commanding presence positioned her as one of the most recognized performers of her generation. Her performance style, fluid yet controlled, powerful yet precise, stood out on massive stages worldwide. As BLACKPINK expanded into international markets, headlining festivals and dominating charts, Lisa emerged as a cultural bridge, proudly representing Thailand while shaping global pop aesthetics. Her solo era marked a defining milestone. In 2021, she released her debut single album, Lalisa. The title track broke multiple YouTube view records, while Money gained remarkable longevity on global streaming platforms. The project emphasized confidence, rhythmic intensity, and visual authority. Rather than remaining defined by group identity alone, she established a distinct solo brand rooted in performance dominance and bold individuality. By 2026, Lisa is regarded as a global performance icon. Industry professionals recognize her discipline and consistency, audiences admire her fearless stage command, and luxury brands view her as a powerful ambassador with worldwide influence. Her career reflects strategic positioning, balancing group achievements with solo expansion and international endorsements. Offstage, her lifestyle blends playful charisma with structured focus. She maintains a demanding rehearsal schedule, prioritizes physical conditioning, and continues exploring creative outlets within dance and music. Despite global fame, she preserves an approachable energy that resonates strongly with fans. Her fashion identity mirrors her versatility. As a global ambassador for Celine and Bulgari, she transitions seamlessly from street-inspired silhouettes to refined couture. Whether attending Paris Fashion Week or appearing in editorial campaigns, she carries a confident ease that aligns with her stage persona. While public interest often surrounds her personal life, she remains selective about what she reveals, consistently redirecting attention toward her work and creative growth. Within the industry, she is described as hardworking, detail-oriented, and deeply committed to excellence. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects revenue from world tours, record-breaking solo releases, endorsements, and high-profile luxury collaborations. Beyond financial success, she has secured lasting global recognition and cultural impact. What many find remarkable is her relentless drive. Behind the confident performances lies years of disciplined repetition, self-belief, and the courage to move across borders in pursuit of opportunity. That determination quietly defines her trajectory. Lisa's journey is defined by elevation rather than comfort. From a young dancer in Burum to an international pop and fashion powerhouse, her rise reflects resilience, ambition, and calculated growth. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, dynamic, influential, and built for endurance. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.